Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this air clip or Hitch pin clip in SolidWorks, and for this we'll be following the next drawing. This is it. Alright, so let's start. Let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, press here OK, and now let's make this plane white, and we'll start by opening a sketch in the front plane. And here we'll start with line, so select line, make a line like this, and then we'll make an arc, go back to this point, and then when you go back it will be an arc. Make it like this, and then here we'll make another arc like this, and then line, make a sketch like this, then select this center point. This one is from this arc and this one is from this arc, and let's make them both coincident. And now we'll select this point with this one and select here make vertical, and now it's smart dimension. Let's give a dimension for this line. Here will be 68, and then this arc will have the radius 12.5. And now from this point to this point here will be 24.5. From this point to this point here will be 36.3. And then from this one here will be 53.2. And now from the last one it will be 63.5. And now let's make these 2 points horizontal. And let's give a dimension from this point to this line. Here will be 9. Alright, now let's give also a dimension from this point to this line, and here let's make it 5.6. If you have this parallel here, just delete it. And the dimension here from this point to this line should be 10.5. These two 10.5 and 5.6 are only to help us to place these lines better. We'll have to delete them in a second. First, let's make a sketch fillet. So select sketch fillet. The radius will be 5. And we'll have to select these 3 points. Press here OK one more time, and now these dimensions should be moved. For example, this one should be to this point and this one should be to this center point. So let's delete them. Alright, so now from this center point to this line here will be 5.6. And from this center point to this line here should be 10.5. And now this is looking better. Now everything is fully defined. Go to features, use swept boss base command, and here we'll have to select circular profile. The sketch should be selected here as the path, and then here the diameter will be 4 millimeters. Press here OK, and this is it. This is our air clip. If you want to change the material, go to material, right click, edit material, and select the material you want. Click apply and close. And now this is looking good. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.